Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into your energy to see what the heck you got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. Mm. I appreciate every last one of you. Take a resonate, leave with us not. Personal readings down below in the description box. I do appreciate every last one of you. Let's see what y'all got going on. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Ooh, we have child here. Okay, number 13 could be significance. We also have the Knight of Swords out here, so it definitely speaks of something happening fairly quickly. Let's go ahead and take a look, and let's say take a look at number 13 for child. It may be in regards to a child, something happening in regards to a child. I'm seeing the beginning of a new path filled with prospects. That's what I'm seeing here. There's an energy of joy, naivety, and bright plans for the future, meeting with family, children, or news about pregnancy. I'm seeing the start of a new project, an easy attitude towards money, and a potentially frivolously, frivolous, frivolous approach to obligations. Ooh, I tore that word up, didn't I? Frivolous approach to obligation. So this is the beginning of a new path, y'all. Possibly due to children, possibly a new beginning in money, finances. It could be love. Somebody could be pregnant or something like that. And it's happened quickly, like I stated before, with this Jack of spade. It's like that's the Knight of Swords, you know. So it seems like this is like quickness, you know, an energy of. I'm saying quick, swift. I'm saying opportunities and choices and decisions that you'll need to make. Clarify child, please, spirit. 3 and 1 reduces to 4. Okay, and you guys are definitely protected. There's an energy of protection. I'm seeing you guys moving on, letting go. There's energy of freedom here, but nonetheless, I'm seeing an energy of meditation, praying, coming into alignment. Is what I'm seeing here. So I'm speaking to someone that's very spiritual. Okay. There's an energy of someone having faith. Whoever you are, you could possibly even be healing. Clarify this praying energy, please, spirit. Praying for the Divine Space Family, Friends, and Collective. What's going on with praying? Okay. Clarify praying, please, spirit, for the Divine Space Family, Friends, and Collective. Praying. Okay, I'm gonna take that. All right. Ooh. At the bottom of the deck, I'm seeing distant future. So this is something that is to come in a distant future. That's what I'm seeing here. What's behind here? Concern. And I'm seeing someone being in their north node, bringing something to an end and blocking someone out and starting a new path. Okay. That's what I'm seeing here. That's what spirit is talking about. Okay. Because it seems like I'm seeing you two, Ice Queen, Ice King energy where you guys imagine each other, possibly very ruthless people, emotionally closed off, not having, well, like, not, it's like an energy of you guys not having emotions for one another and just choosing to be together for a child or something like that. In the middle, I'm seeing, I don't know if this is domestic violence or something like that. Nonetheless, I'm seeing that there's an energy of you guys like, your opt you enemies of to one another or something like that. And then it's like you separate, you move on, you let go, you love on yourself, and in this midst of you separating, let go, you find out you're pregnant. You find out you're pregnant. That's what I'm seeing here, and I'm seeing an energy of an energy of concern. All right, because things ended, and I'm seeing you blocking this person, and I see that you, whoever you are, you operate out of your north node. And it's like energy of you having a new beginning, like the Most High assisting you and guiding you, housing you, financing you, divine feminine. I wanna love you every day and every night. We'll share the same room with a roof right over our head. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling? Yo, I shuffle the deck. We got the devil at the bottom of the deck. Toxic as hell. Clarify this ice cream. This connection is toxic. Ice cream. One more for ice cream. I'm definitely clarifying this ice queen energy. I see you guys like this ice queen is like working. Okay. There's an energy of mastery, working on something, perfecting something, especially when it comes to some sort of creative endeavors. Okay. This could also be like y'all having a whole lot of sex. You get what I'm saying with whoever this person is. Okay. We got the temperance out here, and there's the energy of being patient. Okay. There's energy of things balancing out. All right. At the bottom of the deck, I see somebody feeling left out in the cold. All right, Ice Queen and somebody placing boundaries. There's an energy of someone, this Ice Queen setting boundaries, placing boundaries, protecting herself or himself, standing up, maintaining some sort of control, especially when it comes to a situation where there's a lot of conflict and let's say a lot of fights or something, arguing, fussing, fighting. It may have even gotten physical, Lord forbid. Clarify the opposition. Clarify opposition, please, Spirit. Clarify this opposition is a King of Wands, Leo. I'm sorry, Aries can be significant. My apologies. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius could very much be significant. Clarify opposition, please, Spirit. Mm. I'm definitely seeing an energy of you guys collaborating, working together. But I'm seeing someone leaving. There's energy of moving. There's energy of having advantage. There's energy of having some sort of victory. Um, building up some sort of strength. Building up some sort of courage. Okay, to move, to leave. I'm seeing you having the advantage. I'm seeing you coming out as the wounded warrior. Clarifying opposition is wounded warrior energy. There's an energy of having to learn some sort of a lesson or have learned some sort of lesson. Wounded warrior energy. Clarifying this opposition. I'm still seeing, even though throughout this wounded warrior situation, I'm seeing an energy of someone having an energy of perseverance. I'm seeing perseverance here, and this person thinking they're going to get away with what they have done. That's an energy of self-sabotage. They self-sabotaged themselves, not only just you, but themselves and the connection. There's an energy of self-sacrifice out of a family. Ten of Cups, having a child, family, marriage type of situation. We have a judge here to bring balance to a toxic situation and bring it to an end. That's what I'm saying here, bringing an end to a toxic situation. Clarify this Ice King. What do we need to know? Number 42 could be significant. Clarify Ice King, please, Spirit. Clarify this Ice King is betrayal, backstab. This person talking negatively about you guys. Ice King, may not be for everyone because clearly this is definitely specific. I'm seeing somebody, there's energy of them feeling backstabbed because of you standing up against them because of something that they did. So they feel like you backstabbed, betrayed them. There's energy of regret, trying to extend some sort of offer, wanting to give roses and makeup. They do it once, they're going to do it again. And I see there's energy of regret. I see you rejecting this person offer. Yeah, this is a missed opportunity. Yep, you coming out as a match to them. There's definitely a missed opportunity and a closing to a cycle. You guys are moving on. You're moving forward from whoever this person is from the past. And you also have a new beginning in finances. There's unexpected money. There's large lumps of money. This could be alimony. This could be a will, some sort of inheritance or something like that. Some sort of wish fulfillment is coming into fruition for you guys. I'm seeing you being abundant. There's an energy of you being single, prosperous, living in luxury in some form of fashion is what I'm showing here. Especially if you guys are married to whoever this person is. You're going to be definitely taken care of. And it's all due to the betrayal. So this could be spiritually or physically. One way or the other, you're going to be looked after. This person lie. I'm saying lie, cheat, steal, deceive, and it's all out of possession and control. Is what I'm seeing here. And it's like this, it's like it feel like a loop of love bombing. Do something wrong, separate, then try to come back and make it right. Like a revolving circle of love bombing is what I'm showing here. That spirit is separating you from. It's what I'm seeing here, like moving you from whoever this person is. I'm seeing a calm after the storm. Because whoever you are, you're coming out as emotionally intelligent. You went through some sort of enlightenment. And this could be something that you have manifested to get away from this person and it was coming in divine timing. And after a period of time, I'm seeing an energy of it rushing in. That's what I'm saying here, especially when it comes to the connection with this person. This was talking about you having a decision or a choice of what you was going to do and how you was going to carry it with whoever this person is. It seems like the Most High made a way. That's what I'm saying here. Moving on. letting go, loving you, freeing yourself, freeing you from this person. Self love. You ain't walking, you're fucking running. This person might act crazy when they start drinking alcohol. Y'all have a good one. That's ridiculous.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Love, please,